Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful mini purse using linked single crochet. You can also use them as a card holder. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a zipper. For this project, I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook. This mini purse is done using linked single crochet. So for this we want to know the basic stitches like chain, single crochet, linked single crochet and slip stitch. So first we will do 3 stripes of this green color and then this orange color. While doing this orange color we will join them together and then we will join these strips between this orange color, and after that we will join this zip to form like a mini purse. So now let's see how to do this beautiful mini purse using linked single crochet. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain. For my mini purse I'm going to do 50 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 50 chain. For my mini purse I am doing 50 chain. You can do any number of chain based on the length of the mini purse you are going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. Next we are going to work in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. We are going to do a single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. So if you see, we have formed 2 loops here. 1 loop and the next loop. Do a linked single crochet. We will insert the hook in this first loop and insert it in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is known as linked single crochet. So if you see here, we are having 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Next linked single crochet will be working on this first loop. So insert the hook in this first loop. Insert it in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Next insert it in this first loop. Insert it in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is what we say it is linked single crochet. Insert it in this first loop. Insert it in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So likewise you are going to do linked single crochet till you reach the last stitch. After doing linked single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work, do a normal single crochet in this first stitch. And next we'll be doing linked single crochet by taking this first loop of the single crochet. You see in the side you'll be having a V-like structure here. If you turn your work, you'll see V-like structure in the top. So we'll insert the hook in this V-like structure which you find it in the top. So insert it here. Yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So next insert in this first loop. Insert it next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is what we say it is linked single crochet. So you have to follow this till you reach the last stitch. By following the same pattern of doing linked single crochet in each stitch, you have to do for 3 more rows. Totally you should be having 5 rows. So we have done for 2 rows. So we have to do for 3 more rows. So when you start a row, we have to start with a normal single crochet and then we'll continue with linked single crochet till the end of the row. After doing linked single crochet for 5 rows, it looks like this. Next, we are going to do chain. So the number of chain should be the number of chain which we have done in the foundation chain. So after doing the chain same as the foundation chain, it looks like this. Next you have to follow the same pattern, that is we'll be working in the second chain from the hook. We'll be doing a single crochet and next we'll be doing a linked single crochet. Till you reach this end. So by following the same pattern, we have to do one more pair. So totally you will be having 3 pairs. You see here, we have done 3 pairs. By following the same pattern of doing linked single crochet, how we did in this 3 pairs, we'll be doing 3 single stripes. That is, the chain will be the same number of chain which we have done in the foundation chain. We'll be doing linked single crochet for 5 rows. So now let's see how to join them together to form like a beautiful mini purse. To chain one, fold one stripe like this, insert it in this loop. We are going to do a single crochet. So insert it in the next stitch and do a single crochet. So we'll be doing in only one part of the stripe. We will not be joining the other side. After doing single crochet, it looks like this. Next, fold the next stripe, join them with this using single crochet. So next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet. So next fold the next stripe and join them using single crochet. And join the stripe with the main part using single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. So when you come to this joint, you'll insert it inside and do a single crochet. So likewise, you'll be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. So next round, you're going to do single crochet in each stitch. Likewise, you'll be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. By following the same pattern, we'll be doing 2 rows of single crochet. Total, you'll be having 3 rows of single crochet. So after doing single crochet for 3 rows, it looks like this. Next, we'll take this stripe, insert it here, inside this, bring on top of this center part. So we will weave them. Take the next stripe, insert it in this center part like this. Going to weave them. How we did this one, same way we have to do the top part. And we will weave them. After joining the 3 stripes, the mini purse looks like this. Next, we are going to join the zip for this purse. After adding the zipper to this mini purse, it looks like this. So mini purse using linked single crochet looks like this. You can also use them as a card holder. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.